Welcome to our exploration of an innovative architectural trend that is revolutionizing luxury living: smart windows. In this video, we will dive into how these high-tech features are not just replacing traditional walls in some of the richest homes, but are also enhancing the overall living experience. From seamless indoor-outdoor living to energy efficiency and instant privacy, smart windows are redefining modern design. Join us as we uncover the remarkable technologies like electrochromic glass and self-cleaning nano coatings that are shaping the future of opulence. 1. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. In the world of luxury real estate, a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces is not just a desire but a necessity. Smart windows have become instrumental in achieving this architectural harmony. These advanced windows are designed to adjust their transparency, enabling homeowners to control the interaction between their indoor environment and the natural world outside. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while basking in the sunrise without stepping outside. By programming these windows to change from clear to tinted, the ambiance can be tailored to suit any mood or occasion. This capability not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also offers functional versatility, making it a coveted feature in affluent homes. 2. Instant privacy. Privacy is a luxury that money can buy, especially with the advent of smart windows. Technologies such as polymer dispersed liquid crystal, PDLC, smart film allow windows to shift from clear to opaque with a simple command. This instant transformation is a boon for urban dwellers who live in close quarters with their neighbors. Whether hosting an intimate dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening alone, homeowners can ensure their privacy at the touch of a button. This technology is not just about blocking unwanted gazes, it's about creating a sanctuary where one can retreat from the world, an essential aspect of modern luxury living. 3. Energy efficiency. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, energy efficiency is no longer a trend but a fundamental requirement. Smart windows play a crucial role in reducing the energy footprint of luxury homes. By intelligently adjusting their tint based on the sun's position, these windows help maintain a comfortable indoor climate. This reduces the reliance on heating and cooling systems, thereby lowering energy bills and contributing to environmental conservation. For the eco-conscious affluent homeowner, smart windows represent a harmonious blend of luxury and responsibility, illustrating how technology can enhance our lives while protecting the planet. 4. Disappearing architecture. The notion of disappearing architecture is captivating the imaginations of architects and homeowners alike. Smart windows facilitate this concept by integrating seamlessly into the structure of a home, creating the illusion of boundless space. This design approach eliminates the visual disruption of traditional walls, offering panoramic views that enrich the living experience. It's akin to living in a perpetual art gallery, where nature's beauty is on constant display. By merging aesthetics with structural integrity, disappearing architecture offers a unique blend of form and function, a hallmark of luxury real estate. 5. Electrochromic glass. Electrochromic glass is revolutionizing the way light and heat are managed within luxury homes. This innovative technology allows glass to change its tint in response to electrical signals, providing homeowners with precise control over their environment. Imagine adjusting the tint of your windows with the same ease you control a dimmer switch for lights. This capability not only enhances comfort by reducing glare and heat but also contributes to the energy efficiency of the home. As a result, electrochromic glass is becoming an indispensable feature in the design of high-end properties. 6. PDLC smart film. For those looking to upgrade their existing windows without a complete overhaul, PDLC smart film offers a practical solution. This film can be applied to any glass surface, transforming it into a smart window capable of switching between transparency and opacity. It's like giving your home a high-tech makeover without the need for extensive renovations. This flexibility makes PDLC smart film an attractive option for luxury homeowners seeking to modernize their spaces with minimal disruption. It's a testament to how technology can enhance our living environments, offering convenience and control at our fingertips. 7. Self-cleaning nano coatings. Maintaining the pristine appearance of luxury homes is a priority for affluent homeowners, and self-cleaning nano coatings are simplifying this task. These advanced coatings can be applied to smart windows, allowing them to repel dirt and grime effortlessly. It's like having a permanent cleaning service for your windows, ensuring clear, unobstructed views year-round. This feature not only reduces maintenance efforts but also enhances the longevity of the windows, making self-cleaning nano coatings a valuable investment for those who value both aesthetics and practicality. 8. Elon Musk's minimalist homes. Elon Musk's minimalist homes have become a blueprint for the future of luxury living, emphasizing simplicity and technological integration. In these homes, smart windows play a pivotal role in creating open, airy spaces that prioritize functionality and style. By replacing traditional walls with innovative glass solutions, Musk's designs showcase how technology can redefine our living environments. These homes demonstrate that luxury doesn't have to be ostentatious. It can be understated and elegant, with smart windows serving as a key element in achieving this balance. 9. The future of luxury living. As smart window technology continues to advance, its influence on luxury living is set to intensify. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to innovative solutions that enhance their quality of life while promoting sustainability. The integration of smart windows in high-end properties signifies a shift in luxury real estate, where technology and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Features like instant privacy, energy efficiency, and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions are becoming the new standard, reshaping our understanding of what it means to live in luxury. 10. Conclusion. Smart windows are not just a trend, they are a revolution in the design and functionality of the richest homes. By replacing traditional walls with state-of-the-art glass technologies, these windows offer unparalleled benefits in terms of aesthetics, efficiency, and sustainability. As the demand for luxury homes continues to grow, smart windows are poised to play a central role in defining the future of high-end real estate. Their ability to enhance the beauty and functionality of a home makes them an essential component of modern living, aligning perfectly with the values of today's discerning homeowners.